One of the slickest ways to incorporate frozen butter into a mixture when you're baking is to pre-grate the butter and then freeze it. So, just to show you how simple that process really is and how little time it takes, what you need to do is measure out the amount of butter that your recipe calls for. In this case, my recipe calls for 12 tablespoons of frozen butter. Simply get your box grater out, put it on a piece of aluminum foil, and start grating. And as you can see, when you're grating it cold from the refrigerator, it breaks down very quickly. Once you have it grated, take your grater away. You have this nice little pillow of grated butter. We don't want to mash it down. We don't want to lose the air in it. We want it just as it is, but now we want it frozen. So I'm just going to very gently wrap it in foil and tuck it in the freezer. You can do this well in advance of a baking project and just pull out what you need when you need it. You need to freeze it at least a minimum of 3 to 4 hours because you do want it to be firm and crunchy when you go to cut it in.